Hey guys, so if you have signed up for one of our advanced programs, you have likely received our 30-day liver cleanse. With that 30-day liver cleanse, you have 3 supplement bottles. The first one is your Energy Bites, and the second would be your liver cleanse, and then the third is your toxin binder supplement. Many people wonder why you should cleanse your liver. It is recommended to cleanse twice a year. That is because of toxic buildup. Your liver is your primary filtration system, and it's very important to cleanse those toxins so that it works efficiently. Our liver cleanse is not a GI cleanse. You won't be running to the bathroom, but it is going to help filter and get rid of those toxins so that you're able to filter properly and absorb nutrients better. With our liver cleanse, it is a total of 8 capsules a day. It's 2 for the Energy Bite multivitamin. The liver cleanse supplement, you will be taking 4 capsules daily, and the toxin binder, you'll take 2 capsules at night. This liver cleanse does work phase 1 and 2 of the liver so that you're getting a full cleanse. It is recommended to eat very clean on a liver cleanse diet, eating foods that are very supportive to the liver, like your fermented foods, whether it's sauerkraut or kimchi, and to decrease foods that are toxic to the liver or fluids such as alcohol.